Want to sign real estate offers online with a click? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Whether you're a buyer or seller, signing offers digitally has never been easier, and I've tried all the most popular tools to find the simplest and most reliable option for you. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using today, available only for viewers of my channel. First, let's talk about what you'll need. All you need is your device, access to the software, and an email account. The software we'll be using today makes it simple, secure, and efficient to sign real estate offers online. No more printing, scanning, or mailing documents. Start by opening the real estate offer in your email or the software's portal. Once you've reviewed the document, click on the Sign button or the designated area where you need to place your signature. You'll see a prompt that allows you to either draw your signature or type it in. If you're typing it, just choose a font that looks similar to your handwriting. Simple as that. Next, position your signature where it's required. This software will automatically adjust the placement, but you can move it around if needed. The most important thing is that it's in the correct spot, so double check that everything looks good before you finalize. Now, some of you might wonder if it's secure to sign real estate offers online. Great question. The software we're using offers top-notch encryption, which means your signature is protected with the highest level of security. You're not just signing with a click. Your data is also kept safe. Once you've placed your signature, the next step is to finalize the document. Simply click Finish or Submit, and you'll receive a notification confirming that your offer has been signed. You'll also get an email with the signed document attached, ready to be sent to the other party involved. If you're not sure which software to use, I've tested several, and this one is hands down the easiest and most intuitive. And as I mentioned earlier, you can access an exclusive free trial by clicking the link in the description below. This offer is available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Now, let's go over the key takeaway. Signing real estate offers online with just a click is a huge time saver. You don't need to print, scan, or worry about delays in the process. Just open the document, place your signature, and you're done. Easy, secure, and efficient. To recap, open the document, sign it digitally, check that the signature is placed correctly, and finalize the offer. Remember, I highly recommend checking out the free trial for this software in the description below to follow along. It's quick, secure, and makes signing offers a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.